Hi guys, we are doing some jengibre.
Jengibre. We're doing
Yeah!
cookies for
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. Yan.
Yeah.
You open.
Yeah.
Inside.
1, 2, 3.
This is the shaper, the molde, a powder, and what's the other? The colors. What's the color?
Well, you broke this. You know you don't know the instruction.
Yes, we have instruction there.
Yes.
So, what are you waiting for?
Santa Claus.
Let's go!
Let's go.
So, nga guys, magbe-bake kami ng gagawa kami ng cookies. Ayan, parang ganyan. Parang kamukha ko lang, oh. Ayan, so tara, let's go! Umpisahan na natin, guys! Hey! Ayan, so ilagyan na natin ng egg. Ayan, gagawa na tayo ng dough. Tama ba, dough? Yes, and then you mix a little by little. And we need 100 grams of butter.
Are you serious, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Ah!
So, lagyan na natin yung butter. Kasi nilagyan na lang natin yung butter. Ayan, nilagyan na natin yung butter at haluin na lang natin. Let's go! Ayan. Lapit na natin Ayan, so nagawa na natin yung dough. Kailangan nating haluin ng haluin. Gugas po ako ng kamay, ha. Ayan, so masa-masa na yung dalawa. Oh, masa-masa na. Are you ready to make a shape?
Yes, where?
Yeah. Do a shape na. Gawa na ng shape si mama.
Katipan ng inanay.
Gingerbread. Ayan, so lalagyan na natin yan, oh. Ayan, tapos na, oh. Ayan, so lagyan na natin yan sa oven. Ayan, nakapreheat na tayo ng 180. So, iluto natin siya ng 12 to 13 minutes. Let's go! Okay, tapos na siguro. Ooh!
And one is
Ooh, moisty, moisty. Cut natin. Wow!
Be careful.
Careful, it's hot. Ayan, oh. Finished product. The other way, yes.
Broken.
Ayan, so medyo may nasira tayong konti. Ayan. Bumulwak. Ayan, oh, dumoble, oh. Doble. Ayan, so mamaya lalagyan na ng kulay. Ayan, lalagyan na ni Albal mamaya ng kulay. So, palamigin muna natin ng konti. Let's go. Ayan, so lalagyan na ng kulay. Lalagyan na ni Alvaro ng eyes. Ng mata.
Ah.
Hop.
Yeah.
See? You can do it. Nga. Other color, the nose.
Oh, that nose, no.
Bale, smile. Ayan, so first time niyang gumawa.
Yeah.
Minute pa. Yeah. Wow! Ayan, so naglagay na sila ng design. Oh, ayan, oh. Kanya-kanyang design. Oh. What's yours?
I like this one.
Judo. This one. Oh. Burkititew, this one.
Look at this one. I do it.
Ayan, gingerbread. Patutuyuin daw ng...
Blah, blah, blah.
Oh, ang dami ra.
Scarf.
Look, mine.
It's cold. With bupanda.
This is with the...
Well, this was tabat choy. Tulutakan. Oh, ayan yung finished product namin na gingerbread.
Who change your to give to Santa? Me, this one.
Oh, taste it.
No.